Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be a very chilled morning routine, or just a very chill day in our life, because I woke up and I am feeling quite tired, but we're gonna make breakfast. For you guys that don't know me, my name is Yannick. I've been doing YouTube on and off for the past few years, and I want to get back at it again and be more consistent and more disciplined this time. So I thank you guys for your support, and yeah, I hope you enjoy this video.
Cause I only want you, yeah. Cause I only want you, yeah. Cause I only want you, baby, yeah, I only want you, yeah, 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 yeah. Only want you.
My aim is to become better at posting once a week or twice a week on schedule. But back to the video. Here you can see me just putting some stuff away, and yeah, just really chilling. I don't know what the rest of the day is gonna be about, but yeah, we're just tidying up a bit. So I did some dishes, packed the dishwasher. Guys, does anyone else hate doing the dishes? Because let me tell you, I do. I don't know if it's because of the way I grew up. I grew up doing dishes by hand, and it's not something that I enjoy. So thank you, Lord, for dishwashing machine, because had I not had it, like, I don't know what I would have done. But I need to also teach my daughter so she learns how to, do the dishes, and that cleanliness is next to godliness, and that it should always be clean and tidy and put together. So I think I'm doing a great job at that, because she loves to help me when I'm cleaning up and when I'm doing stuff. So yeah, that's a good thing. And I enjoy a clean home. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.